everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check Apple gift card balance, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you have to do is first of all access your particular app store, and once you do, this is how it's gonna appear. Right over here, go ahead, tap on your profile on top right. Now simply you will find this option of redeem gift card or code on top right away. You gotta tap on it, and you can see use camera, enter code manually. If you simply have the code, gift card within you, you can simply tap use camera and click a picture of it or scan it and get the code automatically entered. Otherwise you can choose to add in enter code manually. Now go ahead, enter your particular code of your gift card that you received. Once you're done and it is correct, you will tap on this redeem option and you will be able to check out the amount of the gift card as well as redeem it at once. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.